Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're going to analyze the market support and resistance zone, trend line zone, and we will break down each and every strategies. And let's get started. And as you can see there is H1 time frame format, and as per our analysis style or trading style, we will start our analyzing with higher time frame, then we will go lower time frame to find out the entry or market direction. Okay, so let's get back into daily time frame first. And as you can see there, market was closed yesterday with a bullish movement, and today market just trying to go down, and buyer are really seeking a pressure over here. As you can see there, each and every time market is trying to go down, that means bearish, but buyers are pushing up, so there is a buying pressure from the market side. Okay, and if I want to go for H1 time frame, as you can see there is a clear trend line to go by. And if I want to draw that, as you can see there, market just respected 1, 2 and 3 times this trend line, and it's just trying to go up, again down, again push up from there, again down, again push up from there, and trying to go up from this particular area. So what we can do right now, and to get our sharper or proper entry, we will go for lower time frame like M13 or M15 time frame for scalper, and for H1 time frame, that means for swing traders or day traders. As you can see there, this two channel is our current key point, and you can take buy entry over there, sell entry over there, and if it give us a bullish breakout from there, we will wait for a pullback or retest, then we can take a buy entry with a proper candle confirmation. Or otherwise, if it go down like there and give us a breakout, then we can wait for a pullback, then we can take a sell entry over there. That can be proper scenario. Okay, and there also can be news comes anytime, so we have to decide the market movement, or we have to decide our entries depend on the news or depend on the news outcome. Okay, so let's get back on M15 time frame. Okay, as you can see there, for M15 time frame, there is a lot of thing to see, or there is a lot of thing to draw. As you can see there, these are particular support area, and there is our resistance trend line, and that can be little bit upper. Okay, keep it there right for now. And if I want to make it another clone, and as you can see there, this is our particular area, that means market can be go up to this particular area or this particular area, then it can go down, or if it gives us a breakout, then we will wait for pullback, then we can take a buy entry over here. Okay, and with a single confirmation like pullback confirmation, or candle or trend line or support and resistance confirmation, we can take any entry in the particular area. We have to wait for candle confirmation, that means Mr. Boom's double confirmation. And we are updating each and every momentum on gold in our free Telegram channel, so you may join there to get raw update from the market, and you also will get news update there. Okay, and from my view, market maybe is going to move bullish today, because there is a confirmation from H1 time frame. As you can see there, from now 3993 to here 4016, so we can easily catch there almost 200 plus pips. Okay, so we have to wait till a candle confirmation, and if there anything comes like US China trade relationship or Donald Trump speaks and something like that, then we can consider buy or sell depend on the news. Okay, and without news confirmation, we can easily use our technical analysis or technical confirmations. And if I especially want to see it on M5 time frame, that means 5-minute time frame, as you can see there is a clear breakout from the 5-minute time frame breakout, then we have to wait for the pullback. Then if I get a candle confirmation to go by, then we can take a buy entry over there. So this is current market scenario. And for high time frame like a daily time frame, market is trying to move or push up, that means bullish, that means bullish momentum. And if we want to see H4 time frame, that as you can see there is high neck. Okay, last 3 candles high neck to go by, that means seller are trying to sell, but market is trying to push up, or buyer are trying to really take buy entries. That's why market is trying to go up. So this is the current scenario. I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis or free news analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel. There we are updating each and every moment into our Telegram channel. So I hope all things is clear now. Mr. Boom signing out.